Hi, my name is Giora Morein, and on this episode of Agile Quick Tips, I want to discuss how ending every Scrum with the goal of the day might make your entire sprint far more effective. The daily Scrum, or daily stand-up, is really all about maximizing transparency and alignment for your entire Agile team. This is where your team, on a daily basis, will look at the last 24 hours, share their progress, explore any challenges or unexpected things, and then discuss what sort of updates need to be made for their plans in the next 24 hours. For most teams, this makes the daily Scrum very activity-focused. It talks about progress in activities. One idea I have that really might make your team more effective is actually end every Scrum with the shared goal of the day. What's the goal that we hope to achieve this day? What's the major achievement we hope to accomplish by the end of the day? This creates a greater sense of alignment and purpose for the day, not just around activities or tasks, but really about how do we advance that overall sprint goal. I hope you enjoyed that Agile Quick Tip. More importantly, I hope you found it valuable. And if you did, come check out my website at thinklouder.com. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Giora Morein. And then be sure to check out the links in the post to get more information. See you next time.